Hi, I'm Anna and I'm going to teach you how to add Google features to your Mapify app. Thanks to the Google Maps Platform API, adding Google points of interest, search, street view, and base maps is as easy as ticking things off your checklist. We start off on the Apps tab of the Mapify console. Select the app you want to edit the details of. Here, you can edit the look and feel of your app, the available controls, and the share settings. As you can see, we have two base maps enabled currently. One is dark, the other is light. And here on the controls, there's the Google Points of Interest, Google Search, and Google Street View, all disabled at the moment. We can confirm this by visiting our app. Now, we're going to add these features to our map, like this. Save, and hit Explore. Voila! The 4 base maps right here . Toggle on and off the points of interest. Finally, we can search a specific place. Let's go to Times Square and drop the Street View pegman here.